Ever wondered why your screen glitches? A quick driver update could be the fix. Subtitle: How to update your graphics driver on Windows. First, the easiest way, Windows Update. On Windows 11, just hit Settings, then Windows Update, and tap Check for updates. On Windows 10, it's Settings, Update, and Security, then Windows Update. For Windows 7 or 8, open Control Panel, hit System and Security, then Windows Update. Look under Optional Updates for graphics drivers and click Install. Subtitle: Method 2, Device Manager. Next, Device Manager. Search for Device Manager in the search bar. Open it, find Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and hit Update Driver. Pick Search automatically for drivers. Easy, right? Subtitle: Method 3, Manufacturer's Website. Finally, go straight to the source, your card's website. Find out if you've got NVIDIA or AMD. Visit their site, grab the latest driver for your card and Windows version, then follow the installer steps. Subtitle: All done! Congrats, your PC's ready for action. Keep those drivers fresh and say goodbye to choppy